Hey everyone, in today's hair tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get big, gorgeous, voluminous bombshell waves. This is my current favorite hairstyle and it is sure to get you lots of compliments. I'm starting with freshly blow-dried hair. My natural texture is very straight but pretty frizzy from bleaching it, so I always start with some hair oil to smooth my frizz. I am so in love with the day hair oil. It adds shine, it makes my hair smooth, and it is the perfect texture. It doesn't leave any oiliness or make the hair look stringy like other oils do. And it smells so good. I'm using my T3 curling iron with the largest attachment, which is a 1.5 inch barrel. I set the heat to the 4th light, making it about 370 degrees to get a long-lasting curl without going too hot. Split the hair into 2 sections and clip the top half out of the way. Spray the bottom section with a texture hairspray before you curl. This is my secret weapon for getting incredible volume and hold. I'll link all of the products I'm using in the description box below. Grab vertical sections that are about 1.5 inches wide. The thickness of each section should look similar to this if you squeeze it. Open the iron and wrap the section of hair away from the face and then close the clamp. I leave mine in for about 6 to 8 seconds. While your hair is hot, the curl is still forming. These clips are a must for this style. When I don't use them, my curl falls out within an hour or 2, but these make them last all day. If you clamp it to your head while it cools down, the curls last forever and they look much more bouncy and voluminous. Now, take the top section out of the clip and bring that hair in front of your shoulders. Push the hair you've already curled behind you to get it out of the way. One thing that's really important is that you're letting the hair twist a bit when you wrap it around the wand. Don't do a flat wrap where the hair is flat against the curling iron, or you won't get any volume to your curls and they'll hang more straight. Grab your texture spray again and lightly spray. Focus on the mid shaft and the ends of the hair. Don't worry about spraying the top since it won't be in the curling iron unless you need help boosting volume in that area. Then spray away. I get asked this question a lot, and I do feel like a curling iron holds curls better than a wand for loose, wavy styles like this because the addition of the clamp gives heat to the top of the hair as well as the bottom, so all of the hair is being evenly heated, whereas the wand is only heating up one side of the hair. I also think that the added pressure of the clamp helps lock in the curl. The front sections around your face are the most important for the final aesthetic of the style, so take a little more time perfecting those. When you switch to the other side, make sure you switch the direction you curl so you're still wrapping the hair away from the face. A good way to remember is hair in front, curling iron behind, and then wrap going towards the back of your head. I curl that last face framing section higher, closer to my head than the rest of the curls for more volume. Leave the clips in till the hair is completely cooled down. I usually leave them in while I do my makeup or unload the dishes or something like that, and then I take them out. Gently use your fingers to fluff out and pull apart the curls. Do not use a brush. It will completely change the look of your style if you do. Look at the difference. So much more pretty volume on the side that I've worked my fingers through. Focus on fluffing rather than combing the hair with your fingers. Next, take a teasing comb and tease into the wavy ridge sections of the curls. I do most of the back combing from the underneath side of the hair so that it doesn't look frizzy on top. Because my texture spray is also a hairspray, I'm going to spray that in again to lock everything into place. I just love this style. It's so bouncy and beautiful, and it's very feminine. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. If you enjoyed today's look, I have other cute hair tutorials I think you'll like too. I will link them right here for you.